transformative thoughts and published articles by Kalua Green. These are the Green Messages. This week, we focus on road construction disasters. Did you know that there already exists relevant legislations that anchor a safety plan and applies to all contractors? And did you know that the contractor must prepare and present through public participation an elaborate safety plan? Read about these and more insightful articles by Dr. Kalua Green. Visit www.kaluagreen.com. Think green, act green.